Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're actually using our grill that RJ and Suzette gave me. This is my Calphalon. I put some peppers and onions in there and some hamburgers. And they gave me all this stuff too, so that's what we're having tonight. The wind has been cooperating a little better. It's not near as blowing as hard as it was. So I'm gonna turn this thing off here real quick. Yeah, the wind is not blowing near as hard. Thank goodness. We're just about out of the red flag warning. I think today is going to be the last day, and hopefully we'll be calmer. And it's rain in the forecast. We'll see what happens. I know one thing, making a frying sure does make a mess of the ground. All the grease everywhere. That's what happens. I'm going to wind up one of these days. I'm going to buy me one of those Blackstone grills because I see people use those things, and those things looks like what I need. Because if I'm stationary in the same place for 4 or 5 months, I can set one up, hook a propane bottle to it, and cook all I need to outside of the bus. I'm going to have some hamburgers and onions, and the next couple clips are things that happen around the campground, and they both have to deal with flying. As I mentioned, it was not as busy this weekend. We were full, but in a, how do you say it, a quieter way full. Like, you're probably thinking, like, what do you mean by quieter way? Well, we were full, and once we reached the full status, nobody else came in. Usually it's like everybody lines up and grabs their nearest thing, and busy and traffic direction and people everywhere and full. And this one was much easier. I liked it. So we're going to walk around here for just a minute, see what's going on. And the best site on the campground just opened up, so I'm down here now checking it out. This is the number 5, the most wanted spot because of the lake view. wide open. Just had a couple leave. They left early, but I'm just picking up little micro trash, and hope you enjoy those winged adventures before. Of course, one was just a little sparrow, and the other one was, I'm not sure what number those jets were, but holy cow, this is the 3rd time this summer they've come over, and there are 4 of them, and they just skirted right along the lakeside, and then they just bank and then disappear back over the mountain. I know one thing, if you hear one, get your camera out because you won't see them, and you'll be able to catch either the second one, or sometimes there's 4 of them. There were last 2 times there's been 4, and 1 time there's been 2. And like I said, when you hear them, they're gone. Those are fast. Yeah, trying to redo my fireplace here. I don't know. Tape was a good idea, but it didn't quite hold everywhere. Anyway, and I don't have any more tape. See what happens here. Maybe I can stretch this one out a bit. I need to get more tape, and that way I can do more, I can do more fireplace coverage, fire pit covering. And this tape just doesn't stick to itself once it gets it going. There you go, that'll help. I'm missing a piece of tape though. Oh well, gets the point across. So yeah, I'm celebrating birthday number 1 right now, and you're saying, like, what do you mean birthday number 1? Well, for those who watch my channel, know that I have 2 birthdays. I was born in France, got a French birth certificate, which is today, and my American birth certificate is just tomorrow. the 9th and 10th. So I had my hamburgers and my onions. Pretty good, pretty good. They were pretty nice. And I'm going to be using that griddle thing a lot when I get it and the bus going and get it cooking. But yeah, I had my celebrating my first birthday. Well, I can see myself in the camera. Look, oh, you need to shave. I forgot to shave today. Had another friend came by, Tim, came by, brought me some chocolate chip, I guess, cookies, I would say. And I think they're the regular kind because I've had a few of them today and I'm still awake. So I'm going to have a chocolate chip cookie. My boss came by and picked up the stuff. Oh, and his daughter got the John Deere tractor and the Stegosaurus car. So she wants to play with them. I think she's 7, so take them. So she did. What is this? Fanta strawberry. So I'm going to have this is a really good dessert. Chocolate chip cookie and a strawberry soda. It might just do me in, but I'm willing to make that sacrifice. Let's see if we can get this thing open. That's strawberry. Refreshing. So let me get on with my cookie and treats. Had some other friends come by. I got a lot of friends, don't I? You know what? I've made a lot of friends being camp hosts, and that's a good thing. But they came by and dropped off some treats for Zen. Where'd they at? Zen is now well stocked in bacon strips with a bratwurst flavored bacon and peanut butter, and original bacon. It's a good thing he likes bacon. He's not a big fan. He's eaten a few of them, but he'll eat a couple, then he'll kind of take his time and eat another couple like later on, 3 or 4 days later. So he's not a big hog on that. Oh, and they brought me some friends of mine. Oh, brought Zen another dog bones. He has 8 pounds of milk bones. And I got a big box of Cheez-Its, white cheddar. If you're going to eat Cheez-Its, white cheddar is the way to go. And then another bag of trail mix. I'm set up. Oh, and a case of Coke. Goodness gracious. It's nice to be wanted, loved, or just taken care of. But I hope we have more good news on the bus. We'll know more Monday. We'll see what happens. And we'll come back in here and make another video. Hopefully we'll know more positive news on Monday for sure. Well, I just had another camper come by and bring me a big bowl of chicken soup with tortillas on top. And this one is rice and something. Let's see what's in here real fast. Ooh, little tortillas and guacamole. Man, I'm blessed. Thank you very much. So let me put all this stuff in the refrigerator, and then I need to take care of something. All right. Hey, guess what? Time to shave. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm inside my tent. I got a shaving stuff, and my razors are just about worn out because I had 3 of them, and I didn't know it was going to be here this long. So got my pan of water. The water on top of the trailer out there, perfect temperature, just right. Not too cold, not too hot, and we're going to make myself look better. Well, cleaner. It's been a nice, quiet birthday number 2, or the real birthday, here at the lake. I was going to have the soup and the tortillas, but I had an offer come through, so I went over and had hamburgers and some chips with my friends, Johnny and Sharon, and they gave us canine carryouts for Zen and coffee cake, and a birthday cake. So Zen has already been into these. He's eaten about a dozen of them already. Did you eat your food too? And we're getting ready to stroll around, but we'll have the soup on the next round. It'll last. It's in the refrigerator. But yeah, it's been a really nice, quiet evening and quiet day. The wind has been a lot better, a lot calmer. And then I was just watching a minute ago, a hawk was chasing a bird right over my head, all around. It was interesting, but a lot of wildlife out here. So with that, we'll say thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you guys on around the campsite.